Have you ever wondered how to make money online using ChatGPT? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring the potential of ChatGPT and how it can serve as a springboard for online money-making ventures. What is ChatGPT, you may ask? It is a language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence. It's like having a digital companion that can chat, write, and even brainstorm with you. So, how can you transform this digital companion into a money-making tool? Let's unravel that. First, you can use ChatGPT to create engaging content. It can generate blog posts, articles, social media captions, and much more. If you're a content creator, this can save you countless hours of brainstorming and writing, allowing you to create more content in less time. You can then monetize this content through ads, sponsorships, or by selling it directly to clients. Secondly, use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant. It can handle customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and even draft emails. This way, you can offer virtual assistant services to businesses and busy individuals, providing them with a cost-effective solution to their administrative needs. Another avenue to explore is language translation. ChatGPT can translate between multiple languages, making it a powerful tool for offering translation services. You can provide these services to businesses looking to expand internationally or individuals needing translation for personal reasons. Lastly, consider using ChatGPT for tutoring. It can provide explanations on a wide range of topics, making it an excellent tool for online tutoring services. Whether it's teaching English, explaining math problems, or providing insights on historical events, ChatGPT can be your ally. In summary, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be used to create engaging content, offer virtual assistant services, provide translation services, and even tutor on various topics. By leveraging these opportunities, you can carve out a profitable niche for yourself in the online world. Remember, the key to making money online using ChatGPT is creativity and innovation. Think outside the box about how you can utilize this powerful AI tool to offer valuable services or create engaging content. And there you have it, a new perspective on how to make money online using ChatGPT. It's not just about the technology, but how you use it. So, go ahead, explore, innovate, and let ChatGPT help you in your journey to online success. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.